And this is the path for this cell is going to be in Acton in a couple of minutes, and Acton in Maine in a couple of minutes, and this is going to be in south of Billerica, Burlington, Concord, Lincoln, and around Weston in a couple of minutes, and it's going to be in the next couple of minutes in Redden, Wakefield, Stoneham, Medford, Alston, Jamaica Plain. So those in the area, try to be alert and take cover. If you have someone in that area, try to alert them when they're at work. Try to stay covered because this is a dangerous soil. This is a lot of wind, rain, damaging winds, some hail, and a little rotation here. So try to be safe in that area. Add some light showers of storms around North Central, Worcester County around Orange here, and then we're seeing some showers and storms from West Central Massachusetts and Northwestern Connecticut down for West Central Connecticut down for Southeastern New York State. And a couple of batch rain showers in North Central New Hampshire and up in Maine and over Eastern Quebec and down in Northern New Brunswick, and a couple of spotty showers and storms around the New York State area from Plattsburgh down for Albany, and then stretching down for Western New York and down for North Central and West Central portions of Pennsylvania here. And the line stretches down for Central Howard, 72 Indiana, down for Southeastern Illinois, and a spotty showers and storms from North Central Indiana and the Northwestern Ohio down for Southeastern Michigan and down for Ontario here.
Whoever else is with you, and like you said, just get to the lowest level. Let's ride out this storm.
And a lot of rain showers from Central Quebec down for Ontario and then down for Southern Manitoba and down for Saskatchewan up in Alberta, and seeing some spotty showers and storms from western Wisconsin down for Minnesota, Iowa, and stretching it down to Dakota and eastern Nebraska, and a spotty showers and storms from around the Florida and stretched it up the Carolina School and around for central portions of South Dakota. Spotty rain showers in southwest Louisiana for southeastern Texas. And a lot of monsoon rain and storms from northern Mexico stretching to the four-quarter region of southern Nevada and eastern California here. Not Field, Ohio. Good afternoon, 80 degrees with broken clouds here. Saturday a little bit, it shows Patrick clouds covered a bunch of northern New England and then stretch it out for New York State, Pennsylvania, down for the Ohio Valley here. And then a couple of batch clouds covered a bunch of Atlantic Canada, then stretch it out Ontario, down for a little bit of Saskatchewan, and a couple of batch clouds covered it from northern Mississippi Valley, and then go northern Dakotas down for eastern Nebraska, and a batch of clouds covered a bunch of Florida, and then South Carolina, eastern Georgia, and around northeast Mississippi, down for eastern Arkansas, and a lot of clouds from Mexico, stretching it out for western New Mexico, Arizona, down for Colorado, stretching Utah, down for Nevada, down for eastern California here. And spotty showers spotty clouds from eastern Montana down for Wyoming and down for
clouds, a lot of threatening lightning going on.
Southern Saskatchewan, batch of clouds from Alberta and northern British Columbia here.
Northern Worcester County, that one is also severe.
Cold front from Central Saskatchewan down for southern Manitoba and station front from Montreal all the way down for Quebec and down for Newfoundland here. Station front from Northern Idaho, stretches to the Montana, stretches to South Dakota, and another cold front from northern Utah down for Colorado, down for Kansas, down for Missouri, and cold front from Missouri, stretching in Indiana, and then up in the Ontario, and one from eastern Ontario, stretching in northern Vermont, and upstate New York. Pink from eastern Ontario. And the station front of the Carolinas here, and a front of mine from the Gulf of California, and front of mine from northwestern California, and southwestern Oregon, and front of mine down for Washington State. High pressure off the Washington coastline in the Gulf of Mexico and the northwestern New Mexico, and we got low pressure in Kansas, northwestern Gulf of California, and northwestern California, and then western Ontario, and then for eastern Ontario, and eastern South Dakota, and northeastern Oregon.
For those of you who are just joining us,
87 degrees at temperature in Boston. It's 93 in Washington D.C., 89 in Atlanta, 87 in Miami, 91 in Brownsville, Texas, 97 in Dallas, Texas, 89 in Kansas City, 86 in Chicago, 83 in Minneapolis, it's 96 in Denver, 95 in Salt Lake City, Utah, 87 in Albuquerque, 76 in Los Angeles, 67 in San Francisco, and a pair of 73s in Seattle and Great Falls, Montana. Here, current conditions around in the region, we got 87 degrees at temperature in Boston, it's 85 in Pittsburgh, 84 in Bedford, 86 in Beverly, 83 in Gloucester, it's 87 in Lawrence, it's 82 in Worcester, 83 in Sturbridge, 85 in Webster, 84 in Milford, 86 in Norwood, 83 in Taunton, 77 in Bedford, 84 in Plymouth, 77 in Falmouth and in Chatham, 73 in Marshfield, 73 in Nantucket, and then in Provincetown at 70 out in Cape Cod Bay, 73 in Block Island, 76 in Wesley, 82 in Smithfield, 87 in Springfield, 83 in Amherst, 87 knots, 80 degrees in Pittsfield, 75 in Greenfield, 71 in Northampton, 83 in Albany, 75 in Bennington, Vermont, and in Brattleboro, Vermont, 73 in Keene, Hampshire, 72 in Jefferson, Hampshire, 82 in Coconut, New Hampshire. 83 in Manchester, New Hampshire. 88 in Nashville, New Hampshire. 92 in Possible, New Hampshire. 89 in Windsor, 86 in Hartford. It's 87 in New Britain. 84 in Waterbury. It's 86 in Danbury. 86 in New Haven. It's 85 in Bridgeport. 75 in...
It was actually just straight line winds. So either way, you look at some tremendous...
75 Long Island. 82 in New York City and in this and then 74 in Montauk. Yeah?
Okay, so that was...
Okay!
In the storm, before...
Let's take a look at forecast discussed from here in the country. Yeah?
So kind of initially getting going.
Slight risks for flash flood across the Midwest and severe thunderstorms on the middle Mississippi Valley in the northeast on Tuesday and Wednesday. Summertime thunderstorms will remain in forecast for parts of the southwest and southeast and Florida. Active and stable weather is expected from the northern Mississippi Valley to the northeast of the broad upper level trough. In a series of surface front string across the northeast quadrant of the country, a weak boundary moving across the northeast and in the Ohio Valley and that's out to produce showers that strong storms that severe thunderstorms along the head of the front Tuesday. Beyond this, a strong boundary will move west to east from the middle Mississippi Valley to the northeast middle United States, and while scattered rain and storms are likely in the general vicinity of the front, the best chance for that organized convection appears to aim for the parts of the middle Mississippi Valley tonight in an area where plenty of moisture to the surface and good dynamics and flow of off. Locally, heavy rain could produce flash flooded overnight in these areas. As on Tuesday and Wednesday, the large rain area of rain and storms moved the boundary from the Ohio Valley to the northeast United States and given a plenty of moisture and stability ahead of the front. The Storm Prediction Valley has highlighted a wide swath for the mid-Mississippi Valley to the northeast for a slight risk of severe thunderstorms elsewhere though. Summertime unsuitable of the tropical Pacific Ocean continues to keep its widespread showers of thunderstorms. And the forecast as usual, the best coverage of storms should be occurring during the afternoon and evening hours, while diurnal heating is at its best across the southeastern coast and the Florida Peninsula. One show moisture and sea breeze that converts itself, so allow for development of showers of storms, especially after the evening hours. Here,
what's happening is you can actually see dust at the ground, clear in between, and then the cloud above it. So there's actually a
forecast discussion in
mainly because the tornado has not picked up.
New England, very hot, warm, and humid weather persists by midweek, while much of the town will be dry. A few strong hit and miss thunderstorms will be possible at times, especially across the interior. A few additional showers of thunderstorms will be possible during Thursday. The cold front moves slower as dry weather will lower. Humidity will vary by the end of the week. In the weekend, near term until 6 a.m. Tuesday morning. Scattered strong to severe thunderstorms this evening across portions of interior southern New England. Shower wave combined with a modest instability along with a 30-40 knots of shear has allowed scattered strong to severe thunderstorms to work in the southwest New Hampshire and northwest late this afternoon, given Capes in the order of 1,115 JKG this evening. Feel the threat for scattered strong to severe thunderstorms may expand to the affect for a portion of Northern Connecticut and the western north central Massachusetts end. Into southern New Hampshire into the evening hours. And the primary threat will be strong to damage and straight line wind gusts along with torrential rain and hail with it. Secondary concern if any discrete cause can develop. There's an uncertainty in this activity will hold together as they try to surrender. Eastern Massachusetts for down, we should see a weakening trend, but it's still at least some convective power, such a given 30 plus knots of shear. Long instability will have to monitor this closely this evening. Should see the activity wind down near shortly after midnight as a short wave departs of wires can rule out a spot charge thunderstorm given low level general lift over instability, but the vast majority of the night should be a dry low temperatures only fall back to the low 70s in most locales. Where perhaps a few upper 60s in northwest Massachusetts, southwestern New Hampshire. Yeah? But let's take a look at our forecast this. Alright, let's take a look what's brewing in the tropics here.
About 20 minutes ago. A lot of lightning, a lot of thunder, non-stop rumbling.
Nothing brewing in Eli. But there's 2 cells in the tropical outlet. In the
Pretty dense.
Have you, Charlie, did you receive any hail with this storm? And also, what sort of damage are you seeing?
Okay. Number 1 is a broad area of low pressure located 700 miles.
On the airport. The
southwest of Acapulco. Mexico produced disorganized showers and thunderstorms developing the systems to be slow to occur and moves from west-northwest about 10 to 15 miles an hour. Formation checks for 4 hours, low 20%, information checks for 5 days, low 20%, and updated satellite wind data indicate that low pressure located 700 miles southwest of the southern tip of the Baja California Peninsula is likely producing winds gale. Towards the southeast of its center, although the associated shower and thunderstorm activity has been decreased over the past few hours. An increase in the thunderstorm activity could result in the formation of a tropical cyclone tonight at the mile, while the system moves northwestward or west-northwest wind at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Information checks for 4 hours, high 6%. Information checks for 5 days, high at 60%. Alright, let's take a look at overseas into Japan.
the rain was coming down, so our
Visibility was down to nothing.
right.
How is the visibility post-storm? How quickly is...
Right now, the rain tapered off and it stopped raining now, so visibility about 10 miles plus.
Oh, so all right. So let's let this storm go through. Charlie Bailey, thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate your insight from what's happening in Fitchburg. Again, Charlie's a pilot at the Fitchburg Airport. And go ahead, Charlie.
Okay, the latest on Typhoon Naguri here.
You just saw the video, right? You saw the video from Shirley.
Is now at Category 3 storm with wind speeds 125. It gets to 155 miles per hour, and it's gonna
Right now, she's concerned about this as well.
go by the
We've got it right on top.
between the Japanese islands east of Okinawa, the U.S. Air Force Base, and gonna make landfall in southern Japan as a Category 1 storm with 80 mile per hour winds on Wednesday.
He's sort of
With
like,
gusts up to 100 miles per hour, it's gonna
so the video
be a tropical
just a moment ago was
storm Naguri through central Japan, including Osaka,
this come through just a few moments ago.
and going through Japan as a tropical storm here.
But here, widen out the view, and Charlie's going to be probably going back.
Scattered thunderstorms will form late this afternoon and in the evening, especially in northwest Massachusetts and southern New Hampshire. A few storms may be severe. The graphic to the right provides details on potential threats associated with thunderstorms and the potential impact some strong winds, lightning, brief torrential rain, and hail.
This is a new severe thunderstorm warning for Middlesex and Worcester County. To give you an idea of what's going on with that one, of course, we've seen tremendous amount. We've seen tremendous amount of hail with this storm system coming through. The latest on this one is that we're seeing the damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm, of course, about 9 miles west of Fitchburg, moving to the east now. This one's fast. This one's moving at 45 miles per hour. So this is much stronger, much faster, not stronger, much faster than the cell that we see over there towards Acton, which is producing the possible tornado. Let me give you an idea of where that one's going. And you get an idea. I mean, it'll be in Gardner in 4 minutes. It'll be in Leominster in 27 minutes. So Charlie's going to be in this one probably just a matter of minutes, as he was just talking about.
And he was reporting.
We're gonna take a look.
We're just off in the western sky, but we want to remind people that a tornado warning does remain in effect until 5:30.
Tornado warning remains in effect till 5:30 for
That would be towns such as Billerica, Chelmsford, Westford, Acton, Concord, Bedford, Littleton, Boxford.
East Central Worcester County and Central Massachusetts and Central Middlesex County and Northeast Massachusetts here until 5:30 p.m. here.
Head home. Tell them to hang out.
And
Let's let this
it's going to be in Acton and Billerica and Concord and Burlington and Lincoln and Reading and through the Boston area and in the next couple of minutes. So those in the area, try to
past. And
take caution and stay safe. Here.
Again, news reporting from Fitchburg. Pea-size hail coming down with it. You know what would be on the roads when this storm passes. And of course, we're right near the Route 2 area, are we not?
And yes, and we're also, you know, in the evening commute, although it is a holiday week for many people. So tremendous amount of water as we put down these roadways. There's going to be some, you know, this is pretty amazing to me. Usually when we see like kind of this hook echo, we see it there.
All right, let's take a look.
And then it disappears. Showing up there. In fact, you know, I'm going to do something a little different. We're going to look inside the cell. Yeah, right in through here.
Let's take a look at our
Showing just a little bit different intensity.
view from outside, and it shows a beautiful evening on tap. But those of you in the area, look out for some storms because that we have an unstable air mass and it's humid and heat. So it could form into some thunderstorms, some of the severe. So those of you in the Middlesex County area, in the tornado watch areas, tornado warning areas, so try to stay safe, okay? All right, let's take a look at our 7-day forecast. It goes like this.
Here, I'm trying to do this one real quick while we actually put on.
So, Mike, as you're doing that Thursday,
And
weather was coming in. You use the term hook echo. Both of you just said.
clouds of weather outlook day one tonight. Scattered strong to severe thunderstorms are expected.
You're tracking a storm like
This evening across the interior, 7 New England, strongly damaging. Straight line winds, gusts are the primary concern, but can not rule out an ISO reported 2 of large hail. Heavy rain and a very low class flood threat is also possible, and there are also low probability that a few strong thunderstorms with gusty winds surviving in eastern Massachusetts, Rhode Island. At J2 for 7, Tuesday for Sunday, a few strong to severe thunderstorms are possible late Tuesday afternoon and evening, and again on Wednesday afternoon and evening. There's a real coverage of activity. Both days remain uncertain about the primary threat with any storm will be strongly damaging straight line wind gusts, while hail will be a secondary concern. Heavy rain and the low class flooding are also a possibility. Alright, 7-day forecast goes like this. Tonight, chance of showers and thunderstorms remain for 11 p.m. Most skies got low 71 degrees and southwest wind about 6 to 11 miles per hour. Gust size 31 miles per hour. Touch up space to 30%. For Tuesday, slight chance of showers and thunderstorms by afternoon. Most of the skies are 93 degrees. Southwest wind about 6 to 13 miles per hour. Gust size 29 miles per hour. Touch up space to 20%. For that, chance of showers and thunderstorms mainly before 9 p.m. Most of the skies got low 33 degrees. Touch up space is 30% with a south wind about 10 miles per hour. Gust size 32 miles per hour. For Wednesday, chance of showers and thunderstorms mainly after 11 a.m. and some storms produce. Heavy rain, mostly skies got high 97 degrees. Southwest wind about 8 to 13 miles per hour. Touch up space is 30%. New rain from about less than 10 minutes possible. Except miles possible in thunderstorms. With that, chance of showers and thunderstorms on May 4th, 11 p.m. Some swells with heavy rain and most skies got low 68 degrees. Southwest with about 3 to 8 miles by chance of precipitation, 30%. Thursday, slight chance of showers and thunderstorms, parts of the skies at 84 degrees, chance of precipitation, 20%. Friday night, podcast got low 62 degrees. Friday, most of the sun skies at 81 degrees. Friday night, podcast got low 59 degrees. Saturday, most of the sun skies at 83 degrees. Saturday night, podcast got low 64 degrees. Saturday night, Sunday, chance of showers and thunderstorms, parts of the sun skies at 82 degrees, chance of precipitation, 30%. Sunday night, chance of showers and thunderstorms, most skies got low 68 degrees, chance of precipitation, 30%. For Monday, chance of showers and thunderstorms, parts of the sun skies at 82 degrees, chance of precipitation, 30%. Predators, what a phrase of the day! Be on the lookout for storms in the air tonight.
A severe thunderstorm worthy of a tornado warning, and we have had reports of incredibly heavy rain that brings.
Let's take a look at our
hail
traffic situation at 517 here.
Reports on Facebook as well. It is moving very quickly. So those in this area, once again, if you can stay off the roads, and safety as well. We want to get folks to the basement. In
Boston area shows Route 3 on the northbound side, a little slow from
goes up in the first place.
Hanover all the way down to William out of the northbound side of Route 3. Southwest Expressway slow on both ends there from Boston down for Quincy. 128 south, 95 3 south from congestion from Braintree, split all the way down to 24 in Randolph and 128 northbound. A little slow due to an accident on 128 northbound near.
It couldn't have been more than a building or two away, and that's what's really been intimidating.
The hands come here for streets in Lexington between 2A and 225 on the northbound side of
Non-stop.
Yeah, but you were talking
128 and 95 north, a little slow from Burlington all the way down for Stoneham on the northbound side. Southbound side of 128, a little slow from Peabody all the way down to Linfield there. Route 3 north, a little slow from 62 and Burlington all the way out to the New Hampshire border here. And 495, a couple of accidents on 495 south near 133 in Lowell. Another accident 495 south near 3 in Lowell, and 495 south another accident. So 495 all backed up from Lawrence all the way out to Route 3 in Lowell, so trust our best driver. It's 495 also slow from Westford all the way down to Littleton due to the weather going on, and a Littleton Bridge maintenance on Route 495 northbound and exit 29, which is Route 2. Trust out some extra time, okay? 95 north, 95 long by the sides from 128 to the New Hampshire border here, and Route 128, a little southbound side, a little slow around the Gloucester surface. You could go from Peabody to Gloucester here. 93, not a little slow from 27ville to Medford here. Route 1 on the northbound side, construction on Charleston Road, construction way through to Tulane, Tillman Bridge, northbound between City Square Tunnel and Beacon Street off ramp in Chelsea here. And on the Mass Pike eastbound side, an accident in Brighton. So a little slow around the TV towers around Route 20 in Brighton here. And 49 stuff slow approach the Mass Pike here. And Mass Pike is good to go from Western all the way down for Sturbridge here. 495, move on fine, but both sides from Mass Pike in Amesbury, Mass Pike in Westboro all the way down through Wareham here. 95, stop a little slow around the Norwood stretch you put after 128. But otherwise, you're good to go from Norwood to Attleboro here, and 128, stop a little slow from Mass Pike to Route 9 in Wellesley here. 24 a little slow around there, Route 128 in Norwood on the southbound side, and 24 north a little slow in Berkeley, and 79 south slow in Fall River Bars. 24 is good to go from 128 to the Rhode Island border here. 140 move on fine sides, both sides from Taunton to Bedford here. And Route 6 on the westbound side, a little slow from 130 Mashpee all the way down to the Sagamore Bridge here, and Route 25 south a little slow approach Route 6 in Buzzards Bay on the 25 eastbound here. And 95 north in Providence, a little slow from Route 10 and Crescent all the way down for downtown Providence on the northbound side. Southbound side a little slow from 146 to the downtown Providence here. 295 modified on both sides from Alberta down to Warwick here. Alright, 95 is good to go from Pawtucket down to Westerly, and 146 a little slow and from 99 in North Smithfield. But otherwise, it's good to go from Woonsocket all the way down for Providence here. In Jamestown to Newport Rivers on modified. This is BGA with you. And 195 modified from Providence down to Wareham here. That's BGA with you. Have a good day with a good positive afternoon. Good evening. I'll see you at 11 right after the Red Sox Sports Roundup here.